Hi guys, today we are going to talk about a really exciting tool that is used for machine learning and data science. The tool is Jupyter Notebook. I will show you that how we can create new Python projects and how we can create variables and functions etc. in that project. Also we will see that how we can write some text in Jupyter Notebook. So let's start it right now. First of all, we are going to launch the Jupyter Notebook. After that, we are going to start a new project. We are going to click on Python 3 and welcome. This is a new Python iNotebook. Let me just introduce to the interface of this notebook. At the very top here it is the title of this notebook, so I am going to change it to the name Getting Started with IPython, and this is now the title of this notebook. It has a menu here that allows you to do things like save the file or start a new file here or edit the file, view, etc. So we will talk about that after some videos. So let's just start with the Python. So I am going to click on one of the cells that is an entry in the console, and I will start with my first function in Python. The function that I will use is print function. I will print some strings, and the strings are single quoted or double quoted in Python. So I will print a sample and word like hello world, and after that we will execute this cell. So I will press shift enter, and here it is the output of the cell, that is hello world. For running the cell we need to press shift and enter. By just clicking the enter button, it gives you a multi-line cell. Like we can write multiple line of course in one single line, and we can run that line as a whole by pressing just simple by shift enter. So this is the difference between the simple enter and pressing the shift plus enter for this console. One other good thing of this notebook is that we can also include text in this cells, and very well formatted text. There are two methods for accessing the text in the cells. So the first method of writing text is go to the cell. After that, go to the type of cell and go to cell type, and then mark on markdown. Now if I put the pound here, so I can do a header like getting started with Python, and press shift enter. So here is the header. I forgot to give a space here, and press. So here is now this is the original topic or the header for this IPython or notebook here. Now for writing subheader we need to press enter double font here, and we can give here a subtitle like we have covered print function. So far we have covered print function. So far, and press shift enter. This is our subtitle now. And also in the print function we have printed, for example, hello world. So we will now run this cell. That's it. So this is all about the Jupyter Notebook, especially IPython notebook, that how we can print some strings in this notebook, and also how we can write some text in this notebook. So in the next video I will show you that how we can create variables in this Jupyter Notebook. So thank you for watching. And